In the blink of an eye, 2020 is already halfway gone. Perhaps neither of us fully realized that, within just these 6 fleeting months, an astonishing number of stories unfolded and developed on Earth, shaping our world in unexpected ways. September 2019. Australia faced a crisis. Due to dry weather and insufficient attention, the fire spread. Ultimately, it became difficult to control the resulting thick smoke. It even completely enveloped the entire Australian continent, including many cities, such as Sydney. The sky was painted in a long shade of red. On Jan 15, 2020, Earth began self-healing. Heavy rains poured across Australia, significantly altering weather patterns. From then on, the situation improved steadily and showed positive changes. The event statistics reveal significant and noteworthy insights. It burned 100,000 square and resulted in catastrophic destruction to the local species and wildlife populations. Over 11 animals, including koalas and kangaroos, died in this fire. Not long after the extremely devastating and catastrophic Australian wildfires took place, scientists coincidentally detected the El Niño phenomenon in the Pacific. This significantly raises the temperatures of the sea. This phenomenon can result in droughts in some areas, while others experience excessive rainfall. For example, the typically arid and dry deserts of Africa and the Middle East, in a surprising turn of events, suddenly welcomed the unexpected. Days upon days of incessant and relentless heavy rainfall, as the skies seemed to weep endlessly without any sign of stopping. The occurrence of unusual weather patterns has led to a sudden and unexpected outbreak of deeply devastating locust plagues, covering an area even exceeding 16 million square kilometers. It has caused unprecedented, incalculable losses hard to quantify. And just as the locust rampaged and destroyed everything, on the other side of the earth, unusual phenomena began to manifest themselves in a wide, interesting forms. On the specific date of February 9th in the year of our Lord 2020, a Brazilian scientist recorded Antarctica's highest ever temperature, 20 degrees Celsius. Although to protect the Antarctic continent, countries around the world signed the Antarctic Treaty back in 1959. Glaciers melting. Some glaciers have even retreated over 100 meters, leaving bare rocky surfaces exposed. Many animals have thus lost their habitats. It is crucial and significant to be well informed and knowledgeable about this matter. Antarctica stores nearly 70% of the world's fresh water in the form of ice and snow. If all this ice and snow melts, sea levels will rise by at least over 50 meters. Threat to coastal cities. The melting glaciers would unleash many ancient viruses back into the world. Based on reliable and credible information derived from sources that are trustworthy and can be thoroughly verified, scientists found evidence of ancient viruses in glacier samples from the Tibetan Plateau. Once Antarctica starts to melt, for humanity, it is absolutely not a good thing. As studies show, the primary contributing factors to the phenomenon of climate warming encompass the following aspects. The greenhouse effect can increase fine particulate matter in the atmosphere, swirling smoke and dust, along with different solar activities. Apart from solar activity, the other 3 factors are directly related to human activities. In a fast world, changes require adaptability and resilience. As the climate warms, global sea levels are rising. Floods, storms, and other natural disasters have also become increasingly frequent in recent years. This once again sounded the alarm for humanity. But thankfully, humanity has become aware of the global warming crisis and is taking steps to change the situation. You may not be aware as of now, but today, which is June 5th, is indeed significant. World Environment Day is a global event to promote and raise awareness of environmental issues. We have the ability to take proactive measures to effectively protect our home and ensure its safety. For example, by planting trees through the Ant Forest Initiative. To make online shopping easier, we suggest avoiding plastics, engaging in nature recognition, etc. In vibrant activities and scenes promoting health and protecting the environment. We can all become environmental champions. We are committed to doing our part in order to protect and safeguard our planet for future generations. Environmental conservation needs teamwork. It can't depend on just one person. It necessitates the combined and unified endeavor of every single individual involved. We believe in the power of small actions for our descendants. Please continue to cherish and appreciate these seemingly trivial yet significant moments and experiences in life. Yet profoundly significant and impactful small actions that carry immense weight and deep meaning. With firm resolve, we'll advance. I proudly lead our journey together. Always here for you, regardless of what happens or the circumstances that may arise. Continue to treat these trivial matters carefully. Yet even with their modest presence, they are highly significant and important. Continue to persevere and push forward, for I am the one in command, the captain. Goodbye.